This is the brand new VH3500 Hydro Blast. If you guys are familiar with the standard VH3500 in our vapor hunting lineup, then you know that this cabinet is absolutely perfect for fitting large parts like motorcycle frames, transmissions, engine blocks, or anything of that size because of this large front swing door. And that is no different on the Hydro Blast version of the VH3500. Now, of course, this machine has excellent visibility, not only due to this large viewing window, but also the two wipers that come standard. But you can also maneuver around your parts easily with the two glove ports on the front. Now, this machine also uses the same pump and motor combo as our standard Hydro Blast, meaning you're blasting at around 1200 PSI, and that's at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So any sort of dirt, grime, grease that's on your part, you're gonna be able to easily wash it away. Now, another cool feature of the standard Hydro Blasts are with the supplied blasting gun, you can actually regulate how much water is being used, as well as how much pressure you're actually supplying. Now, once the grease and grime has actually been removed from your part, you can easily dry the part inside the cabinet, keeping your work area clean. The 3500 variant of the Hydro Blast is an amazing option for someone who needs to blast larger parts, but put it in an ergonomic space. And that's all due to this front load door, because it does allow you to forklift parts in, and it allows you to have 4 glove holes. That way you can have 2 blasting positions to easily maneuver around your parts. This is the exact same setup as what's on our standard Hydro Blast, which anyone who has one of those has come to love it. And that's because, again, any of that grease and grime that's on your part, you're gonna be able to easily remove. So for anyone who is looking to increase cleanliness in their shop, who's looking to actually get better results on their parts, and doesn't wanna have to worry about media residual, this is your machine.